Alright, so right now we are fixing the driver board from a Shanghai Mitsubishi LEHY elevator drive. The problem, the IGBT modules blew out, and that fried a couple of optocouplers on this driver board. We did a quick check, removed the shorted optocouplers, and after a static test, confirmed 2 were bad. So, we grabbed 2 new ones, soldered them in place, wiped off the solder residue, and boards fixed. The bad IGBT modules already gone. We've got 2 new ones installed. Now, time to put this repaired E1 driver board back in. Plugged everything into its slot. Made sure all the connectors were in right. After plugging it all in, we powered it up for a test. No faults showed up. Checked the I/O signals. All good. Tested the elevator in inspection mode going down. Smooth. Inspection run. No problem. Then we tried a normal run, and it worked perfectly. All fixed, done and dusted. Honestly, that's all it took.